trade. We will be entering into the trade when this low of this red candle is taken away. We can enter into the short trade. So here I have explained this concept in 4 hours time frame chart. Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to learn what is called top and bottom of the market. How to find the top and bottom of the market in order to enter into the long and the short trade. So here in this picture we can see that this is the top. This is the top of the market and this is the bottom. So we have to understand how can we identify the top and bottom of the market. That is the resistance. Resistance is the top and the support. Support is called the bottom. So we'll see in detail how can we understand. That is how can we analyze what is the top of the market. That is how can we look for selling opportunity at the top of the market and buying opportunity at the bottom of the market. So how to find the top? Okay. So how to find the top of the trend? That is, there should be two candles. This is the first candle and this is the second candle. Okay. So this pattern should appear at the resistance level, that is at the top of the trend. Second candle should close below the first candle's low. So this is the first candle's low. So the second candle should close below the first candle's low. Second candle's high should be less than the first candle's high. Here you can see this is the second candle's high. So this candle's high should be lower than the first candle's high. If the first candle has lower wick, then the chances of trend change is more likely. Okay, here the wick is lower. Okay, so the chances of trend change is more likely. This information should appear at the high in the intraday time frame or at the swing high at the daily time frame. So if you are going for intraday, it should appear at the high in the intraday time frame or at the swing high. When you are doing for the daily time frame, when you are doing the swing or for the positional trading, it should appear at the swing highs. Okay. So now how to find the bottom? The candles should be two candles. This is the first candle and this is the second one. The second candle should close above the first candle's high. Here this is the first candle and the second candle should be closing above the first candle's high. This is the high of the first candle. So the second candle should close above the first candle's high. Second candle's low should be less than the first candle's low. You can see here this is the second candle's low and this is higher than the first candle's low. If the first candle has lower wick, then the chances of trend change is more likely. This information should appear at the low in the intraday time frame or at the swing low on the daily time frame. So if you are an intraday trader, this type of pattern should come at the low in the intraday time frame. So for intraday time frame, what we are going to use is 5 minutes or 15 minutes. For the swing trading, if you are doing swing trading, you can see in the daily chart or 4 hours time frame also fine if you are going for swing trading. This is the daily time frame of Nifty. So we are going to find how can we find the top of the market or top of the trend. Okay, so here we can see this is the red candle of Nifty and this is the lifetime high made by the Nifty. And after that, how can we find this is the top? After that, what happened? We can see the next day we got a red candle and the low, that is the high of this red candle, is below the low of this red candle, and low also it is compared to the first candle, the low is lower than this low. So the trend is bearish. So after that we can see that Nifty made a low. I mean how much points Nifty gave a fall. You can see that from there, Nifty gave a downfall of 1000 plus points. Okay. So this is how we have to find the top of the trend or top of the market. Okay. Now we can see one more example. Here we can see the perfect pattern. That is, after a small fall, what happened? Nifty went up, that is pullback happened, and after that we got a doji candle here, that is at December 22, that is on 14th of December. Okay, and after that again the next day we got a red candle. This red candle is lower than the this low doji candle's low. That is, the second candle's high should be lower than the first candle's low, and also the this is a red candle and closed below this high of this first candle. Okay, you can see that this is a doji candle, and you can see this the low of this candle is 18,632 and the high of this candle is 18,652. Okay, so here we can see that this second candle is not above the first candle's high. So in between, this red candle started and also gave a close below the first candle's low. So the trend is bearish. So from this we can identify the top of this trend. So this is the highest high, and after that also we can see that the market gave nice downfall. You can see here. Okay. How to find the bottom of the trend? Here we can see this candle. This is a doji candle, and also we have the two candles. What is the first candle? This is the first candle. So this is the first candle and this is the second candle. Okay. So what are the conditions if you are looking for the trend change? Okay. So the second candle should close above the first candle's high. So this is the second candle. So the second candle gave a close above the first candle's high. This green candle's high is 16,886. Okay, and the second candle's high is 16,900. So the second candle's high is greater than the first candle's high. So that condition is met. So this is the trend change. So here we can see the downfall after at that support level. We can see this two candle formation. So above this green candle is the place where we will be entering into the long trade. And also this doji, what does this doji mean? Means there is a trend change is going to happen. Means buyers are trying to push the price up and sellers are trying to push the price down. And we can see only the small body of the candle that is in the middle. So the prices, buyers and sellers are trying to push the price up and down. And after that what happens? Again, the next candle which gave a close above this green candle's high. Okay. So where we will be looking for buy trade? We will be looking for buy trade above this green candle. Okay. Above this green candle, we will be entering into the buy trade. So here is the place we will be looking for buy. Okay. And after that, we can see that the trend changed. Okay. So from here, we can see that the downtrend was there for the Nifty. And after that, at the support level, we got these two candles pattern and we identified that the trend is going to change. We are not using any indicators. This is only the pure price action. Okay. We are identifying the trend change with the help of candlesticks and the patterns. Okay. That is forming at the support and the resistance levels. Okay. So after this, we can see that Nifty gave a nice up move. Okay. Alright. So if you enter into the long trade above this also, we'll be getting nice points in Nifty. Okay. And Nifty made a high of 17,830 here. Alright. We can see one example from the Bank Nifty. So the time frame is 5 minutes. Intraday traders can go for 5 minutes. Okay. So we can see that there is a downfall in the Bank Nifty, and at the support level we got a pin bar candle. So we got an indication that trend is going to change. Means that there is a pause for the down trend. Okay. So this is a pin bar candle, also a hammer candle. Okay. And after that, the next green candle gave a close above the first candle's high, and the low of the candle is not lower than the first candle's low. So this is the condition that we have to look for when there is a trend change. Okay. And after that, we can enter for long above the high of this green candle. Okay. So, and after that, we can see that there is a nice up move in the Bank Nifty here. All right. Okay. This is the HDFC Bank chart. Okay. And this is the resistance level. So, and this is the top of the trend. And here, from here, the price was continuously moving in an uptrend. All right. And once we reached at the top of the trend, that is, we will know that the price reached the top of the trend and price is going to reverse from that level. So how we will know? By looking into the candlesticks. So here we are not using any other indicators other than the candlesticks, that is pure price action trading. So when we see this is a spinning top candle, okay, alright, and the next is a red candle. Also this candle's close is below this candle's green candle. So the low of this red candle is below the low of the green candle, and the high of this green candle is also not taken away. We can see that this red candle's high is 14,090, that is low is 14,090 and high is 15,012. And when you look into this green candle's high, that is 15,013 and this is 15,012. Alright, so the high is not taken away. So from here we came to know that there is a change in the trend, and after that we can see that there is a nice fall in the HDFC Bank. Okay, so how we will be entering into the trade? We will be entering into the trade when this low of this red candle is taken away. We can enter into the short trade. So here I have explained this concept in 4 hours time frame chart, but my previous example, when you look into the Nifty and in Bank Nifty, I have explained in 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So the concept is same, but the time frame will be differ according to which type of trader you are. This is the Reliance daily time frame chart. Reliance was a nice uptrend. Okay, and once Reliance reached the high, that is at the resistance, we got this types of candlesticks pattern. This is a spinning top candle, and the next is the red candle. When you look at the red candle, when you look at this red candle's low is lower than this green candle's low, and high also not taken away. The green candle's high is also not taken away. This means that the trend is going to change, that there is a pause for the uptrend and there is a downtrend is going to happen. So when can we enter into the trade? We can enter into the trade once this low of this red candle is taken away. We can enter into the short trade. Okay, below this. Okay, and after that we got a nice selling trade below this. Okay, and how to identify the bottom? That is, here we can see that this is a red candle, that is a doji candle, and after that we got a red candle. Okay, and when you see this green candle's high is higher than this red candle's high, and low also not taken, that is this green candle's low is not lower than this red candle's low. So we can enter into the long trade above this high of this green candle. Here above the high of this green candle we can enter into the long trade, and after that we can see that there is a rally in the Reliance. Okay, you can see that from here that there is a nice rally. So we are entering the trade at the support level. After once we got the red candle, that there is a pause for the short, that is selling, and after that we got a green candle here. Okay, so above this green candle we can enter into the long trade. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.